You shouldn't make it fast because she's in it. She even says this is fast. Touching red. Gianna, you wanna go somewhere else? Oh my god! Ow! Stop it! No, it's moving! Gianna, you wanna go somewhere else? Where? Roam around. Uh-oh! Someone's having a fight! Where? Look at them. Where? What happened? Well, after 1 minute. What happened tonight? No. Yeah, I'm gonna fall. Check daddy down. Daddy. Daddy? I wanna go. Oh, you can pick up us. Oh my god, run! Spin! Spin it! Spin! Guys, you're gonna make me fall. You can spin it! Yeah, I spin it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Happy What's your name again? Dash? Dash. Your name is not right. Dash. Yeah, my name is Dash. Bro, did you tell her my name? No, I know all of my sister's names. Wow. Do you remember more? Oh wait, you can get balloons from there. Hi. There's no fish here. You're just resting here. Anyway, let's like make it big. Where's Daddy? He did not even reply. Guys, you should not chat because he will not answer. Oh fuck, you should call. What the fuck? He doesn't know. He doesn't even have work. He doesn't have work. Does he own something? Yeah, he owns like a hotel. What hotel does he own? No. Wait, not a hotel. She just said a hotel. Not a hotel. Like, what do you call that again? Yeah, room. Wait, you call it by number. Can I try? But I want somebody to hold this balloon. I don't need that anymore. You don't let me sad. But I need someone to hold my balloon, nah. But I need someone to hold my balloon. And she said, nah, never mind, nah. That's so funny. She said, but I need someone to hold my balloon. And she said, never mind. Did you make this in your... Can you like hold? Okay, I don't need it anymore. Bye. Dad, give me that. You know how I do it? I color everything. And then it's my brother's turn. I do like that. Can you picture me? I already did, Livia. Oh, I want to color. No, not repeat. This is so hard. Let's. Me. Yeah. Can you like stand up so it will be more nicer? Wait, don't move. How about over there? Okay. Picture. Wait, stop my shoes! Only you. Oh my gosh! Livia! Here. I guess no balloon for you.
Oh, yes, you can.
Wait, Olivia. Okay, done. Okay. Let's go. Ow! Gianna. Wait, I know how to press a perfect spot. Wait, I want to color it. Can you color by number it? And then I'll color here. Called you iPad kid. Oh, what the fuck? Flip. Who's my really best friend that one next us? Me. Hey, me. Thank you. I'll share you. I'll give you a please. Share with your sister, huh? Ding. I have a TikTok. Here. This is not spicy. I know. Can I have one? Everything. How do you eat? It's what? Try doing this. Keep that close. Hey, can you put it in the bench, please? What? You own this. Diba, Mommy said?
Summer.
Get the iPad! Actually, go first!
Fernandez siya kayo, makuwag. Fernandez ang makuwag.
Daddy.
Papatingin mo, papatingin mo. Ito ka na, kayo makakata ka ng usaw. Patay ka na. Gabi na, Raja. Gabi na, Raja. Ano yun? Grabe tsuwan, eh?
Part of the whole building. In fact, ang whole building will be inaugurated on February 10 pa. No? Bisag daghan na mong nadia, wag pa na formal blessing, wag pa na formal inauguration. Okay? So, just to put it in the right perspective, kasi di man ka stand alone na sa whole building. Diba? But of course, kanya-kanya man ang belief mo na mo, baka pwede October 2 ng imo blessing. Okay, so ang akong point yan, mag-open ka, kung imong belief tells you, magkuha lang kag pari, up to that lang. Pari lang, hindi mo lang yan na, pero ayaw na, wala na ipakaon, at na ka magpakaon sa October 2.
Sige.
Oo,
Akong i-try sir ang ako kang pabaon sa caterer pod.
Layo pa man. Napaman ka sa September, kuan pa man taron. September.
Sige sir. Hopefully okay ra gid sir kay panikamutan nato kay nianam gud siya kung dili ka mo open student nako pud dawaton kinasin lain na bitaw nanay puno na sila, fully book ba. Pero ako kang balikan din karon. Pero atong
listen mo gid tungod lang sa
atong i-sure
so many caterers there that can di ba importante dia nimong event imong brando kini increase na ba imong group set o imong tetelin ko
basta ako ray bala lang sir. Basta short na sa to sir ha. Short na sa
yes
to.
kay mo may kuan niya mo may ingon niya anyway ako siyang balikan na ang final lang
I-sure ko na to sir kay para ang atong kong caterer that day magud sir is Cafe Laguna Nonki. So i-sure siya.
Yawan mo
Ano nga di
Kurado ka. Dili ako na, ikaw na kay sobra ka kuan, sobra ka.
pero ay lang sagsaba sir ha nga muna yung atong caterer. Pero ako na na-book na ako na nabayaran na sa.
Dito mo taba kay ngano, masyak sila na 20 na yung budget sa hindi ko ambot na Jason. Zero Jason.
20 rag lagi ang budget pero napangitag mamagi nabayaran na ba yan?
Happy birthday sana. Sorry na.
Salamat. Salamat sir.
Ako sorry kayo na. Yeah, na-slip out ako. Nag-amo ko sorry ka ron.
Okay.
Happy birthday by happy birthday. I never forget. It's in my phone kaya nang umaga. Wala lang yun ako ma-press dahil ng for happy birthday. How can I forget the birthday of my favorite my one of my favorite supporter
Maon na sir dapat yung ka malimot.
Pero panikamot ka, ikaw ba yung dito buta na computer area dyan natin dito. You need to catch up yun.
Lagi kanin say
I need, diba ba ka? I even plan to create another area just to make sure in the future when this Tilakit Wilbert will retire, guaranteed na yung pwesto.
Ay nak. Basta sa ikaw nang gibala na ko sa
ako na sa naging ng tickets, the ticket na whoever replaces in the future but na ikaw good pang i-rehead ka. Ako na naging condition ng mind. In fairness, ila sa nagyag. Sila si Kuan man, ila agad sila basta pili ang tao, they always submit to me. Di ba? But in the meantime, you have to learn how to change. When they see something that you have to take, that's the only way to become better.
Bitaw.
You cannot stick to what you were used to do. Even if you say how you find it better, you cannot say that. You need an outsider to tell you
Correct.
what is best for you. Sometimes ang ato nakita din, para na-confess na. But when you are watching it from the outside, you will realize this would have been better like this.
Correct. Agree ko na,
Ana,
Sir
yun
Sai.
na.
Agree ko na.
You should be open. You should be open-minded. Ana, yun na.
Yeah,
Huh?
agree ko na.
Actually, well, ganang performance sa casa does not tell you na kung may nag-agili to better, because it's only true that they are more luckier here than you. Because leadership is all about characteristics. Di ba? Traits na. So, pwede ito ko siya dito. Hindi sa kita. Kasi makadidit mo yun. Mga nanglana, it's how you handle things. It's how you lead people. Muna important. Okay? Yeah. Ha?
Oh, yeah, then Sir Sai, going back, pwede pa-sure ni mo October 2.
Yeah. I'll ask Cam. Ha?
Sige,
Sige.
ngayon, basta Sir, i-secret
Yeah.
lang sa to atong mga menu Sir ha, kay para dili.
Wala ko i-mention sa menu.
Oh, basta dili ka na ko pakauwawan sa pagkaon. Oh.
I told you, Houston, actually, di na concern akong football diya. Ang ako rin yun diya. When they are here,
Oh.
naanan sila ma-impress sila linko imong branch, mainyang imong first day deposit, make sure it's good. Because that is what they will ask you. How much is your deposit, Junya? What is your deposit today? Make sure you can keep it during that period. Ha? Okay?
Yes, Sir.
Sige.
Sir, may bawal din ko Sir ha?
Yeah, pagdaman. Yes,
May bawal
yes.
ko.
Ha?
May bawal ko.
Yeah. No.
Na-perma na mga tas kontrata, nabayad na ta, and all.
So layo pa man. So they can always, I'm sure they can always adjust. Di ba?
Oo.
Na rin, napaiming man, naaman mong presidente o
Yeah,
yung grupo.
kasabot ko.
Sige.
Sige, Sir,
Okay.
balikin din ko sa atin, Sir.
Sige.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Hey.
Daddy, how's it sticking? Daddy, how's it sticking?
Yeah, namataran sa daddy ko maka-update dili.
My gosh, ingon siya open kita sa 29. Pero yung hangyo, pwede ba sa October 2 ang kaon?
Nanuman.
Because NBT will be here on October 2. Si Cam.
So dito sa 29 mo rin. So change the port.
Muna sila. So muna yung Sir Sai, ipa-sure na lang Sir Sai kung maanyam yun sila or ana.
Kaya imong imong kaon.
Caterer na to is Cafe Laguna and Lotki.
Naasa pa kami yung port.
From a very kind sponsorship.
Pagbantay ka na mga clinting mo sponsor ha.
Wala, dili ni mga kliyente. Dili mga kliyente. So muna siya kanang
Di ka mo dapat sponsorship ana mga flood control contractors.
wala kliyente.
Asa ba ka na mga kwarta?
Actually, nakahiyar ako sa mga kind PMs. Some, dili all, not all. Like a few of them lang, dili all. Like maybe 5 ana. 3 kabuk or 5 ana. So, karon, ang akong problema ron kay si Cafe Laguna, iya akong balibaran na akong dili kay na siya nag-upcoming booking, so akong sang tawagan karon kung okay. Pero lain masag dili na to itunong, di ba? Pero ako yung Sir Sai, make sure Sir Sai kay siya nga yung good siya nga we can change another caterer. Ako nahuna ba mag-change ka caterer kanindot na Cafe Laguna? Stress akong life. Mao na.
Hindi, kay iyahan naman si NPT.
Yeah.
Pero ka na pinuot ha. May kudaan ha, I know them. Huwag gini klaro sa ibang kura. Yung mura lang ginagarang ambot eh. Yan ako si anak ko. Mainis din ko ka na. Mura lang wa ba? Ay, kita akal sa lang yan. Dami naman siya.
O lagi. Hala no.
But, sige, kung ni-free up si NBTG ang sked, that's 90% there. Ayun nga sure with that, no? Pag next week, pag BTG meeting, that's when you can say, oh yeah, sure.
Ganun tayo ini-cancel niya ba? I-make sure tato kay
Yeah, I know nag-struggle. I know how difficult it is for you. Kamo kid kaayo ang imong word of honor na makaingon
Nya ang
nila
cliente
may
sad ba?
sorry
Nagingon naman ko sa mga clinting sa 2029. Mauna siya. No? So,
actually, madoble mo gasto. Kaya alam nga, blessing ka niya, wala ka kaon.
ang gusto
Hindi
niya,
ka mag-already closer, ana.
ang gusto niya,
Magkaon na kag imuha.
mag-soft opening lang daw, mag-blessing lang daw, mag-blessing, pero pinaka blessing na gid sa tuwan. So akong plano na lang siguro, since si Ma'am Ruby ni offer man to si Ma'am Ruby og iyang pari na lang sa October 2. Kaya matumas Ma'am Ruby. Diba?
Okay.
Then kaning sa 29 ka Ma'am Eva maning nga pare. So as is na mi tanan. So magkuan man ni ani nana sad mi cater mayas ra mong cater ani din ako mi lunch pero mi dinner. So ang itabo sa kanang inikabot sa October 2 dinner ang cocktail na lang na October 2. Wala na i-blessing ni kabuntag. Maybe mag-blessing siya ni gabi na siguro kanang pare ni Ma'am Ruby, no? Ana na lang siguro. Kaya si Sir Sino, namihan dyan siya challenge dyan kay ko ani ako, pinaka suskrabiyag ka-challenge ani akong situation ha, pero ilang guguguro dyan tayo sige,
Good, Ma'am Cora, good. Si Ma'am Cora, gid na, anak gid na siya. Challenging gid di sa Ma'am Cora. Kaya kanang tang changeable mind kay siya niya. Pero siya kanang dali ra kaayo. Para niya ba?
dadako biya kaya niya itong production number, di ba ni gamay itong production number.
Yeah, mangluod din na siya kung dili ka makabuhat yung gusto like
Ang
that.
ato biyang mga chef baya kay with matching cow biya sa chef ato mga mag-serve live biya ang mag-ana baya ha ang
Saan
leveling
ang
nato.
budget? Sir,
Ha?
nagtapal po ako, sir. Mas, and oh, yung budget for this, sir. Ano po, out of pocket. Galing incentive po, sir. Kaya lang last na to.
Sao nga.
Ayun, bang walang budget yung pa. Kakahiya naman sa bayan. Kasi may price nga. Kasi sa nga to.
Lawin.
No?
Kana di po sa mo tag kuan may 895 per head ba na ato ang cocktail, full cocktail ba na 895 per head. 895 per head ba na.
895?
Oh, per head. Ha?
Kasi na. Presyo.
Sa.
Na, presyo ni ka.
Diyo ka dungog. What happened to your signal?
No. Hello?
Yes, ano sa to?
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Oh, kadung na ko.
It's not. Ito ang naging.
Di ko kadungog bitaw. What's wrong? Kailangan mo niyo eh. Hello?
Daddy, why? Daddy, they ended your call because there's no.
Signals.
They ended your call because there's no signal.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, Jeff.
Sa ingon mo?
Yeah. Niyon ko ba ang digital adoption nun. Kung dili ako ang naglihok-lihok kay ikaw ang naglihok-lihok. So, larigi ko in one place. Anyway, yung istorya na to, nakalimut.
Ang per head sa cater ba is
Okay
895?
na ba ya? It's really good na for Cafe Laguna. Okay na yun siya for Cafe Laguna.
Actually, mo na
dyan.
yung pinakamahal niya, 895. Full cocktail gina. Like full
Pero dami man sa mo cocktail niya. Gwapo man. Actually, perfect siya. Kaya ato ang kada nga branch ni mo. No? Kay super premium man na siya nga branch. No?